I built an AI company in 48 hours and it's so easy to do it. Have you seen all those videos about how to utilize AI software and use them to maximize your time? I bet you might have thought about starting an AI company and save people tons of time and money. Well, I went down the same exact train of thoughts. Turns out it's insanely profitable and super easy. And after doing a little bit of research, I built one in literally 48 hours. So quickly subscribe to my channel so that you never miss finance and AI-based videos. First of all, let's talk about how easy it is to start an AI company. The best part about building an AI company is that most of the AI platforms are open source. What that means is that to build an AI company, you don't need to have tons of knowledge into the AI machine learning space. In fact, you can make an actual working product by just feeding in the data and letting it learn from the data that you feed into the system until you're happy with what it spits out. You can also leverage other AI models and integrate into your own system and letting that learn by itself. That's how easy it can be to build an AI product. So now let's talk about how I utilize AI as a technology to build an AI company. Have you ever been on the phone looking for your credit score and not exactly finding what exactly is stopping you from having a perfect 800 credit score? Guess what? There's a huge problem that I saw when I realized that not everybody understands how to interpret their credit score and find out exactly how many negative items they have on their reports. So the software that I built is factoring each and every negative items, where exactly it's coming from, and how many negative items are reflecting on your credit profile onto just one specific app. Traditional credit monitoring apps were designed to tell you exactly what you don't need to know. I built a software that tells you exactly what you need to know. So I saw a huge gap between what was out there that was not producing results as to what I can produce to solve real problems. And that's when I created my AI company that actually helps people understand their credit score, how many negative items do they have, and what exactly is stopping them from getting that 800 credit score. It can create dispute letters based off of your current situation, and it can also point out few things that normal credit monitoring app wouldn't point out. Disputing all your previous addresses, removing all your hard inquiries. Where exactly is your hard inquiries coming from? Is it an open account hard inquiry or is it a closed account hard inquiry? And it will propagate a list of things that you need to remove in order for you to get perfect 800 credit score. That to me is solving real problems and pointing the consumer in the right direction in helping them achieve a perfect 800 credit score. A lot of the people don't exactly know what their credit score is. On top of that, they don't exactly know why their credit score is the way it is. So those are the two primary problem statements that we worked on and created something like that. So now let's talk about some of the best no-code softwares you can use to produce an AI product. So after you have a working product, you will need an interface that can actually make your product usable. So that is where the no-code software comes into the picture to do all the heavy lifting for you. Some of the best ones I recommend using are software.io, make.com, and Flutterflow. These platforms are literally dragging and dropping and creating your own AI-based software, just like how you would normally do on Wix.com or Shopify.com. But now you're creating software with these platforms. Now, if you want to learn more about how AI is shaping the entire finance industry, and if you also want to learn how to acquire 6 figures in 0% capital and leverage into creating an AI company, then go ahead and message me on Instagram, Mr. Fundable, and I will point you in the right direction. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.